Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about question bank of standard 10th subject Science and Technology Part 1. Question number 1. Choose the correct option in the multiple choice answer for the following question. First, a dash is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of motion of an object. A. Force. B. Inertia. C. Momentum. D. Motion. The correct answer is A. Force. Second, the orbit of planet revolving around a star is dash. A. Circle. B. Linear. C. Towards the focal point. D. Elliptical. The correct answer is D. Elliptical. Third, the square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the dash of the mean distance of a planet from the sun. A. Square. B. Square root. C. Cube. D. Cube root. The correct answer is C. Cube. Fourth, the gravitational force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the masses of those bodies and is dash of the distance between them. A. Inversely proportional to the square. B. Directly proportional to the square. C. Inversely proportional to the cube. D. Inversely proportional to the square root. The correct answer is A. Inversely proportional to the square. The value of universal gravitational constant in SI unit is A. 6.673 multiplied by 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. B. 6.673 multiplied by 10 power 11 Newton meter per kilogram. C. 9.673 multiplied by 10 minus power minus 11 Newton meter per kilogram. D. 9.673 multiplied by 10 upon minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. The correct answer is A. 6.673 multiplied by 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. 6. The dash force is much weaker than other forces in nature. A. Gravitational. B. Electromagnetic. C. Nuclear force. D. Intermolecular. Correct answer is A. Gravitational. 7. The value of gravitational acceleration is dash. A. Highest at the poles. B. Highest at the equator. C. Same everywhere on the surface of the earth. D. Lowest at the pole. The correct answer is A. Highest at the poles. 8. The value of gravitational acceleration is dash at the equator. A. 9.78 meter per second square. B. 9.832 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. D. 6.67 meter per second square. The correct answer is A. 9.78 meter per second square. 9. The free fall of an object is possible only in dash. A. Air. B. Vacuum. C. On the surface of the earth. D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Vacuum. 10th. The weight of any object on the moon is nearly dash of the weight on the earth. A. 1 upon 6. B. 1 upon 8. C. 1 upon 2. D. 2 upon 6. The correct answer is 1 upon 6. 11. A person weighs 60 Newton on earth. His weight on the moon will be dash. A. 360 Newton. B. 60 Newton. C. 6 Newton. D. 10 Newton. The correct answer is 10 Newton. 12. Bernier laid down the dash rule. A. Periodic. B. Modern periodic. C. There is a printing mistake in this spelling. The correct spelling is TRIAD. Triad. D. Octaves. The correct answer is C. Triad. 13. Newland's law of octaves is applicable up to dash. The A. Oxygen. B. Calcium. C. Cobalt. D. Potassium. The correct answer is B. Calcium. 14. X and Y are two elements having similar properties which obey Newland's law of octaves. The minimum and maximum number of elements in between X and Y respectively are A. 6 and 8, B. 7 and 15, C. 8 and 14, D. 6 and 13. The correct answer is D. 6 and 13. 15. At the time of Mendeleev, dash elements were known. A. 56, B. 65, C. 63, D. 118. The correct answer is C. 63. 16. In Mendeleev's periodic table, eka-silicon was later named as A. Scandium, B. Gallium, C. Germanium, D. Thorium. The correct answer is B. Gallium. 17. In modern periodic table, the number of columns and periods are respectively dash and dash. A. 16:7, B. 6:7, C. 18:7, D. 18:6. The correct answer is C. 18:7. 18. Dash is the outermost shell for the elements of period 2. A. K, V L C M D N. The correct answer is B L. 19. The groups 1 and 2 constitute the dash block. A S B P C D D D. The correct answer is A S. Which pair of atomic number represents elements in the same group? A 11 19, B 6 12, C 4 16, D 8 17. The correct answer is A 11 19.